Hi Ujjwal, I'm Harsh Agarwal from college, bhaiya.
Okay, hi Harsh, I'm Ujjwal Mohanty and I'm from Birla Global University.
Ujjwal, this is an interview call regarding your career decisions.
Okay,
So I'll be asking you few questions.
okay,
So are we ready?
yeah.
Yeah. Ujjwal, what was the major factor that led you to choose the career you are currently pursuing?
My career decision was when I was 6, I always wanted to be a lawyer because I had seen women fighting for their rights. So my major career drive was women rights, and the only career which would help me take a step towards women right development was law. So I chose law.
Okay, great. So do you think this your interest, you choose your interest to prove out to be a factor for choosing your career? So was it fruitful enough?
Yeah, it was really fruitful because I believe if you don't love what you do, you would never be satisfied by what you are doing. So I chose my interest as my career. So it helps me put more inputs in my career. In fact, it helps me put more efforts, and it pushes me to what I want to be because it's somehow related to my interest areas.
Lovely. Ujjwal, how much would you rate your decision out of 5, your choice of department and college?
I would rate my decision 5 out of 5, except my college because my college was chosen by my parents.
Okay, so given a chance, what would you
Yeah.
like to change about your college?
Given a chance, I would change my college timings first.
Okay.
I would change my syllabus.
Mm-hmm.
I would add some more subjects to it actually.
Okay. Or maybe given a chance, you would change your college, in short.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe.
Ujjwal, can you give us some unique insight about law which you had no idea of before joining the course?
Actually, before joining the course, I had no idea there would be technical part to it because I have always, from school times, I have always avoided maths and statistics and all. But now my career has 50% of those things. It's BBA plus LLB. So we have statistics and all, which is really difficult, which I didn't expect at all.
Okay. So you are pursuing BA right now.
BBA LLB.
BBA Okay,
Yes.
okay. Ujjwal, did you consult anyone before joining the course?
No, I didn't.
Not even a single person.
No, not even a single person. I believe that if I would have consulted anyone else,
Mhm.
and even after knowing the consultation, I would have joined it and I would have regretted it, then I would have blamed that person, right?
Okay.
So I decided not to involve many people when I chose my career.
Okay, okay, great. Usual, we have a service where any student can talk to any college student of any
Okay.
department across the whole country.
Okay.
So, what do you think? What impact it will have in decision making of students?
Yeah, it's like if you are connecting students across the world, they will know if they know what they want to do ahead in their life, and they get a mentor, right? If you want to have your own business and you have someone who has already gone through it, then it would definitely give them a chance. They would know what they are going to they would know the exposure actually. They would know what the decision they should take,
Mhm.
right? If I would have consulted someone very frankly before taking BBLLB, then I would have known that there would be 50% of practical thing which I would have avoided definitely,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So it would be great, I think.
Okay. Thanks. Ujjwal, finally, I would like to ask you for some suggestions for the upcoming
Okay.
students who are about to
Okay.
choose their career.
Oh, I would suggest to take up their passion, not get pressurized by their parents,
Mm-hmm.
and do what they love actually.
Okay.
And if they should not forget what where they want to be after 10 years
Mm-hmm.
from now,
Mm-hmm.
and get pressurized by their parents and elders or siblings, whatever they have or whoever they want to consult.
Okay.
Because once you get into a career or get into a line by someone else's pressure, then you never know, you never able to handle the pressure.
Mm-hmm.
So that time it would be very bad, very late to regret. So I would tell everyone actually to prefer what they want to do.
Okay, great, great. It was lovely having you here, Ujjwal. Thanks a lot for your valuable time.
You're welcome.